in this very short video, I'm going to show you how much my top story in 2022 has earned so far. Just to give you context, I don't write too much on Medium anymore, but I am getting slightly back into it. But it's a great platform if you want to start writing. I have a video here, why it's the best hustle. So check it out if you want to, but let's get straight into the video. So surprisingly, my best article is why you should launch your micro startup. It's a very surprising article, which I never thought I would reach that much. But I guess the inquisitive nature of what is a micro startup, because everyone knows a startup, what a startup is, but micro startup, what the hell is that? So I think that's why it did generate or draw in a lot of views. Obviously, me leveraging a publication, the startup is great. If you can get into that, I would definitely recommend uploading your stories to them and hopefully you can get approved. But let's take a look at the stats. So as you can see here, we have 39,000 reviews with an earnings of 1.4k USD, obviously, with an average time reading of 2 minutes and 27 seconds. With the article itself, I think is a 6-minute reading time, so it means people are, stopping halfway or just getting through it. But as you can see here, a lot of my views were, came from the first week or two, and then it kind of dwindled down. It's still making money, as you can see here through the earnings graph. It is still making money over time, and even today, it's still making, $5 to $10, I think, per day, which is awesome, right? And on the medium reading time, you have 365 hours. And just to break down here, you can see majority is internal, but there's a huge external as well through email, which is huge. IM and direct. You have a bunch coming from Google, which probably is from SEO. People linking on LinkedIn, which is awesome to see. That's always nice to see. And yeah, so obviously the reader's interests here are generally technology, program, startups. It's where I normally write in. But as you can see here, a lot of people do try to write general articles like love or live productivity tips and stuff like that. But something a bit more, not technical, but a bit more startup-y, businessy, can get a decent amount of views and a decent amount of earnings. And I'm pretty happy with this one. It's my best article since, in 2022. I wrote this in March. And so earning 1.5k or 1.4k to 5k in 1 or 2 months is, I think it's pretty good. I'll leave it up to you to decide. But I thought this might be just an interesting article. Interesting video just to kind of share. I always like to be transparent with all this stuff. I don't see any point in hiding any of this stuff. So yeah, hope it's interesting to you. I do have other articles which have earned more than this, just to give some context. But still pretty good. So hopefully, let's see if I can crack a better one for the remaining of the year. So yeah, hopefully that's interesting. Let me know in the comments below what else you want to see for Medium, like Quora earnings maybe. So yeah, I'll see you in the next video. Thanks.